Hello EDU 5111 students, Dr. Branch here, and I wanted to show you around week 3. You will want to start with week 3 sequence of study and assignments. If you pop that open, it'll give you a list of the stuff that we are doing this week. So that'll help you keep track of what we're doing. Here is really important. We have the week 3 resource documents. If you click that open, that gives you all the videos that you need to watch. You have 2 quizzes this week. And so some of these videos will help you take those. You have a video over successful paragraphing and a little video about rhetoric and paper elements. I do want to draw your attention down here. So we have the grammar refresher PowerPoint, how to avoid plagiarism, and then you have a couple of articles this week that will help you with your second paper that we're going to write. There's an article on how to create safe learning environments, and then positive brains are smarter brains. So that will help you in preparation for trying to come up with your topic. Here we have the position paper checklist and rubric, so that will help give guardrails for your writing. And then we have the rhetoric paper elements. And I did want to point this out. So you will see a document that says steps to locating demographic information, and then the diversity practicum setting profile. You do not have to worry about these 2 documents because we are not doing an in-person observation for this class because of COVID. You do not need to worry about those 2 documents. So just didn't want you guys to get confused on that. So that is our resources. Then if we come down here, got a couple quizzes here. The Collins Library, just to make sure that you know how to navigate that. You'll definitely need to know how to do that for your whole program. And then one over plagiarism, and then we have a couple of forums this week. You'll come up with a possible topic for a position paper, and I'll be giving you feedback on that. That's going to be in the form of a question. Hopefully you guys will pick a topic that you can actually research that will help you in your own teaching, no matter what grade you teach or what subject. So hopefully that will help you out. We're Not Poor is Ruby Payne this week. And then we have a grammar refresher over semicolons. And then we have Ruby Payne's Hidden Rules. I think this is probably my favorite reading from her. We get to take a quiz this week over how we would do in the different social classes. So that'll be kind of cool to talk about. So, and I think that's it for week 3. So you guys are doing an awesome job. I can't believe we're already at week 3. So I hope that helped.